The 20th of February 2025 marked a historic moment for Carousel, a proud division of Edgars Stores Limited. On this day, His Excellency President Emmerson Mnangagwa, together with Vice President Dr. Constantino Chiwenga, cabinet ministers, top government officials and corporate executives toured the Carousel manufacturing plant in Bulawayo. Their visit underscored Carousel's role as a pillar of Zimbabwe's textile industry, a hub of local production, job creation and economic growth. Carousel is the primary supplier of high-quality apparel to leading retail brands across Zimbabwe, including Edgars, Jet and Express stores. With a commitment to excellence and innovation, Carousel produces a diverse range of garments tailored to meet the needs of individuals and businesses alike. Our state-of-the-art facility manufactures corporate wear, stylish, durable uniforms for business and organizations, personal protective equipment, PPEs, essential safety gear for industries including overalls, work suits and medical apparel, casual and formal fashion, high-quality apparel for men, women and children, ensuring style and affordability. As part of Edgars Stores Limited, we take great pride in our contribution to Zimbabwe's economic growth and self-sufficiency. Our mission goes beyond retail. We are empowering local communities, supporting small businesses, and driving the future of Zimbabwe's fashion industry. With the focus on quality, sustainability, and innovation, Carousel continues to be at the forefront of local manufacturing, ensuring that Zimbabwean talent and craftsmanship shine on a national and global scale. Carousel, proudly Zimbabwean, dedicated to quality, committed to growth. Edgars Stores Limited, shaping the future of Zimbabwe's fashion industry.